Hey guys, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, hey girl, my name is Amir, and if you are returning, welcome back. So glad to see you here. So today I have this look for you guys. So if you want to know how I achieved today's look, then keep on watching and make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you have your bell notifications on so you won't miss out on the upload. So let's get into the video. Alright, so we're back at it again with another makeup tutorial. So I'm using the matte putty primer to prime the center of my face, but it's clear to see that I used way too much. So I'm just spreading that around my face as far as I can. And then for the areas that I didn't touch, I'm taking my Cloud Complexion primer from XXrevolution. Then I'm taking my orange color corrector from LA Girl and just spot treating or spot correcting my lower jaw area and my mouth and blending that out. And then I'm also taking the LA Girl concealer, I believe it's in Toffee, and I'm using that to cover up the orange areas. There's nothing really different about my face routine. The only new product that I used was the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and this is in the shade Macao. And I don't know why I was sleeping on this product for so long, because it's been out for a long time, but I love this foundation, to be honest. Then I'm taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect in Warm Tan to highlight my face, and I'm letting that sit. Y'all already know how it goes, so I'm not going to do too much talking throughout the face part because I already put a video out explaining why I do certain steps and what products that I use. So of course I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below so y'all can check out what products that I did use on my face. Now, one thing that I do have to say for this video, I did have to go back into my bronzer and my sculpting shade palette from Black Radiance because I did lose a little bit of darkness or depthness when I set my highlighter area. So I wanted to go back over that just to give a little bit more sculpt to the face. So the palette that I'm using today is my Colourbook palette from Revolution, and this is in the 02 palette. So I started out with this orange looking shade as my transition, and I started on the outside corner and then I placed it on the inside corner because I am doing a halo today. So I like starting from the outside just to give a little bit of shape. Instead of doing a round looking shape, I wanted to extend it out just a tad so I can give my eye that swoop and that snatch look. And I do have to say, I was jamming out when I was doing my makeup, okay? So the song that's playing right now is from Brandy. It's called Like This. I don't remember what album it's on, but I will leave that in the comment section. So this look is giving me, well, I did this look because of Friendsgiving. I was going out with my friends this night and I said to myself, oh, this is the perfect look for the holiday season. You can do it for Thanksgiving or you can do it for Christmas or whatever holiday that you do celebrate. So I'm taking a fluffy brush. This one is from e.l.f. and I'm just blending those two colors into each other so they can be as flawless as I can. And then I'm taking a darker brown in the same palette and I'm using that on the outside corner just to have that shadow effect when I do the halo. So I went ahead and did my halo off camera because that was just going to take too long. So I'm just blending out the edges with that same dark brown that I used, starting from the outside, then working it into the inside, moving inward, and then repeating the same step on the opposite eye. So I did use a different color. I used this hot pink that's in the palette that's in my hand. This is from XX Revolution, and this is the XXodus palette. So every time I open up this palette, this pink just stands out to me. It's super bright and vibrant, and it's just everything that I need. So to break up the browns, I just wanted to pop that pink in there just to give some more color to the look. Then I took my finger and I used this shimmer shade that's in the same XXodus palette, and baby, you see it, okay? This shimmer is bomb. I can't even say 10 out of 10. Like, it's given 15 out of 10. Like, it's amazing. And then I'm just taking a brush just to further blend it and get it into the areas that my finger couldn't reach. And then I took another shimmer in that same palette. This is more of a berry tone shade. And I placed that on the outside on top of the pink that I used. And then I took a clean flat shader brush and I just blended those two shades into each other because I didn't want them to stand out on their own too much. I wanted them, you know, to blend, to be smooth like butter. For my waterline, I took my LA Girl Shockwave liner, and this is in the shade Pop, I believe. And I placed that on the waterline, and then I took those two darker shades, that dark brown first, and then the lighter brown. And I just smoked out my lower lash line. Oh, and these lashes are from INV by Kiss. This is their faux mink line, and I saw these at the beauty supply and I was like, oh yes, I need these, and I love them actually. $5, you can't beat that at all. So for my inner corner, I just took a champagne color and I just popped that right there. I didn't want something that was too bright because look at me jamming again. I don't remember what song was playing, but yeah, it was my jam, obviously. But yeah, go to your local beauty supply and pick you up some faux mink lashes from INV. They're in the black and gold box. So for my lips, this is in the shade Bloodshot from Morphe. And yeah, it just pulled the look in and I love it. Alright, so here we have our finished look. What do you guys think? I haven't done a voiceover in so long, so it's kind of weird not talking during recording. So if you like the voiceover, then let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you do. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content. So I once again thank you for tuning in, and I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.